So this is the 17th question of UKMT exam of Senior Mathematical Challenge of year 2025. Question says the circles are filled with 5 integers so that any integer from 1 to 21 can be made either by choosing one of the integers or by summing up to 5 adjacent integers. When 1 and 5 are in the position shown, so this is the position shown, what is the value of x? So first of all, we have to understand what is this question saying. So let's say I have an integer k or p and q here. P is here or q and q is here. Question is saying that the circles are filled by these integers from 1 to 21, okay, such that either by choosing one of the integers or by summing any of the 5 up to 5 integers, you will get a sum from 1 to 21. Okay, so you can get any integer from 1 to 21. So, and any integer from 1 to 21 can be made. So that means from 1 to 21, including 1 and 21, all of them can be made. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 21. All of them can be made. Okay. So what are the possibilities here? First of all, you can take one of them at a time. So I'll get 1, then 5, then p, then x, p, then x, then q as 5 integers. Or I can do some 2 of them at a time. So if I'm doing 2 of them at a time, I have to make adjacent sum only, because it is saying adjacent integers and it is up to 5. Up to 5 means it can be 2, 3, 4 or 5. So if I do sum of 2 integers up to 5 at a time, what do I get? Here I can get 1 plus 5, then I can get 5 plus q, then I can get q plus x, then I can get x plus p, and then I can get p plus 1. Okay, so this is 2 at a time. If I do 3 at a time, I will get 1 plus 5 plus q, or 5 plus q plus x, or q plus x plus p, or x plus p plus 1, or p plus 1 plus 5. Okay, so these are taking 3 at a time, adjacent 3 at a time sum. Now if I take 4 of them at a time, it can be 1 plus 5 plus q plus x, or it can be 5 plus q plus x plus p, or it can be q plus x plus p plus 1, or it can be x plus p plus 1 plus 5, or it can be p plus 1 plus 5 plus q. Okay, so these are the 5 options I can get by taking 4 of them at a time. And if I take them 5 at a time, that only one possibility is 1 plus 5 plus q plus x plus p. Because if I start from any other thing, I'll get the same sum. So I have 5 options here when I take 5 of them at a time. I have 5 options here when I take 2 of them at a time. I have 5 options here when I take 3 of them at a time. Similarly, I have 5 options here when I take 4 of them at a time. And I have only one option here when I take all 5 of them at a time. Okay. So how many total different integers can I get then by these summations? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1, which is 21. And if you go to the question, you need 21 integers from 1 to 21. And you have to get all of them. So that means each sum of them represents a distinct integer. That is for sure now. Okay, because only then those 21 integers will be shown by these sums. All right. So now, further, now we have this situation. Now to represent 2, I can have 1 here. That is a possibility, but because then 1 plus 1 will be 2. Okay. But the question is that if I get 1 here, then this one and this one represents the same thing. Okay, I will get this one and then p is 1. I'll get the same thing. I'm not getting distinct integers. Why I need distinct integers? Because these 21 integers should add up to give me distinct numbers, all of them. Okay, so that means I need a distinct number here. So this can't be 1. So I need one of them has to be 2. Or in these 3, one of them has to be 2. Okay, so one of them has to be 2. This is for sure. So 1, 5 and 2 are definitely there. There are two remaining numbers. If I add 1, 5 and 2, what do I get? 7 and 1, 8. 8 I get. Now, when I add all 5 of them, I should get the largest number, and which is 21, because 21 is the largest number. So if 3 of them are giving me 8, the remaining 2 should add up and give me 13, because 13 plus 8 is 21. Okay, so the remaining 2 add up to 13, I know. Then what are the possibilities to get 13? I can have 6 and 7, okay, as thing for 13. But I cannot use this because 6 is already covered in 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6. So if I put 6 in any one of them, it will be repeated. So 6 and 7 cannot be the option. Then there is option 6 and 7. Then after that, there is option 5 and 8. 5 and 8 cannot be put because 5 is already used here. Then the option is 4 and 9. Let's see if there is 4 and 9, if that works or not. So if I have one of them is 2, other is 4 or 9. As soon as I put 4 here, and let's say I am putting 9 anywhere else, then 5 plus 4 becomes 9. This will not work. Okay. So if I, let's say, put 4 here, then 4 plus 1, 5 already there. Then it will also not work. If I am putting 4 here, then I have to put 9 somewhere. Let me put 9 somewhere here. And then 2 is here. Then I am getting 1, I am getting 2. How will I get 3? I will not get 3. So I have to put 2 here and 9 here in that case. So I am getting 1, I am getting 2, I am getting 3, I am getting 4, I am getting 5. How will I get 6? I will get 6, 5 plus 1. How will I get 7? I cannot get 7 over here because 4 on also 1 plus 5 is 6 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So this situation also doesn't work. So 4 and 9 also doesn't work. So the only possibility that works is 3 and 10. So if I have one of them is 3 and other is 10, that will work. It cannot be 2 and 11 because 2 is already used. Okay, and it can't be 1 and 12 because 1 is also used. So only these 5 numbers can be put here. So we have now concluded that these are the 5 numbers that will come. Now where will what number come? We have to figure out. Now, if you look at it, if 2 is adjacent to 1, I will get 3. Then it is not possible because I am already having 3. So that means 2 is not adjacent to 1. Okay. If 2 is here, let's say 2 is here. Okay. If 2 is here, then this will be 3 or 10 and this will be either 10 or 3, something like this. So I'll get 1, I will get 2, I will get 3. I will also get 4 because then 3 has to be here. Then 3 is here. I'll get 4. I will get 5. I will get 6. How would I get 7? I cannot get 7 then. Okay. Then that means to get 7, that means 2 has to come here. So 2 is here also, I know. Now between 3 and 10, we have to figure out how will this work. If I make this 3 and this 10, I'm getting 1, I'll getting 2, I'm getting 3. Am I getting 4? No, I'm not getting 4. That means this has to be 3, only then I get 3 plus 1, 4. That means x has to be 10. Okay. Now if you now look at it, I get 1, I get 2, I get 3, I get 4, I get 5, I get 6, I get 7, I get 8. 8 is like this, 5, 2, 1. I will get 9, 5, 3, 8 and 1, 9. I will get 10. I'll get 11 as 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 8 and 3, 11. I will get 12. I will get 13. I will get 14. So you get 15 like this. Okay, and so on. You get 16. So you'll get all the numbers till 21. This is the only possibility. So x comes out to be 10. This is the only possibility. So 10 is the answer here. Option D, 10 is the right answer.